is to get so comfortable with a groove or a chord progression you don't even have to think about it anymore when you play it. You just want to get your hands to a point where they can play on autopilot, relying solely on muscle memory, so you've got room to think about what you're singing. And this is going to take a long time, so be patient and spend that time, dedicate that time to getting comfortable with your instrument. Tip 2 is metronome practice. It's hard to know if you do have that stable foundation without comparing it to a steady beat. So I recommend practicing your favorite grooves along with a metronome, seeing how long you can play, and see if you can have a conversation with a friend at the same time, like I'm doing right now. It's a really good challenge to think on the spot, keep the brain active, and in a different place almost, while you're just playing on autopilot. Step 3 is to keep it simple. And if that means just playing the chords on beat 1, then that's beautiful too. I sing this song for the mother's drum. I sing this song for freedom. I sing this song for the ones yet to come. I sing this song for freedom. And that gives you space to practice those vocal lines as well, without having to think too much about what's happening with your hands. Oops. Tip number 4 is to line up the vocal line with your groove, to practice and understand where the accents are actually landing in your song. And to do this, you can play ghost notes like this and sing along, and then play what you're singing like this. I sing this song for the mother's drum. I sing this song for freedom. I sing this song for the ones yet to come. I sing this song for freedom. This is a really good exercise for figuring out the rhythms of your melodies. And once you've got that, then you can translate that to groove and sing at the same time as grooving. Step 5 is volume. Especially when you first start singing, you don't want to strain your voice or have to focus on vocal technique too much. So I recommend keeping your playing nice and soft, which I've been forgetting to do, so that you don't have to strain. It's also just really good technique in general on the handpan, to be able to have that control and play gently while still getting a nice pure tone. Remember that the instrument is supporting what you're singing. It's not the solo, right? It's not taking the spotlight. It's there to support your voice, so you can keep it gentle. Another tip is to practice some vocal exercises and handpan exercises like this. And you can make it even more complex as well for your hands. You can practice your doubles, practice your split hand technique, whatever it is, while still practicing vocals as well, like this. Remember that you need to warm up your voice as much as you need to warm up your hands as well before playing and singing. It's very important. So step 7 is posture. Be careful not to crowd over your instrument. Be careful not to look down all the time. I recommend practicing with your eyes closed so that you can really trust and feel where the notes are on your instrument, and you're not tempted to look down and crowd. I recommend keeping your shoulders open, giving your lungs space to breathe so that singing is easy and comfortable. Finding simple songs that you can be excited about and get creative with, that will sound good straight away, feel good straight away, and will, build the foundations and give you the skills that you need to start creating your own songs. Speaking of, I have a course all about that that's just come out, and the song that I'm playing now is from that course. It's the last song in the course. It's called Freedom Song, and it sounds like this. And if you're interested, you can check it out. You sing this song for the mother's drum. You sing this song for freedom. You sing this song for the ones yet to come. You sing this song for freedom. You sing this song for the lands overthrown. You sing this song for freedom. You sing this song so we never stand alone. I sing this song for